Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by collecting the image you want and verifying why it will look right on your screen. Open the folder with the file and check its resolution so you avoid stretching. Once done, copy your current wallpaper to a backup folder and note display scaling. This prevents surprises. Make sure to keep the file accessible. Moved images cause blank backgrounds. You're preparing the exact assets and settings you'll need before changing anything. Now you apply the image and control how it fills the screen. Open Personalize and pick Picture. Then browse to your file, select it, and choose Fit to match your resolution. Fill for full coverage, center to avoid cropping. Once selected, confirm how it appears on each monitor. Make sure to set separate images for multiple displays if you want different backgrounds. If you use a slideshow, set the interval and shuffle options so images change smooth. Finish by locking the screen and inspecting how the background appears in normal and locked modes, because color shifts or misalignment reveal scaling issues. If the wallpaper resets or shows a blank background, check that the original file hasn't been moved and that you have read permissions. Restore from your backup if needed. If images look distorted, change the fit setting or convert the file to a different format like PNG versus JPG. One tip: update your graphics driver if artifacts persist.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.